Hi everyone, I hope everyone's doing well at home and very healthy, sheltering in place. I miss all of you guys so much. I miss seeing everyone's smiling faces. Today I want to show you guys how to make homemade ice cream with just a few ingredients that you probably have at home, and you can have a fun, delicious snack. For this recipe you need half and half, or milk. If you're gonna do milk, you can do whole milk. Would be better than a skim milk because it'll get too icy. Some sugar, some vanilla, ice cubes, and kosher salt. So to start, we're going to put 1 cup of half and half, or your milk, whichever you're gonna use, into some kind of other dish. And then you're going to mix 2 tablespoons of sugar, I already have it poured out here, into the milk, or half and half, along with 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. And then just mix that up real good, and that's going to be the base for our ice cream. You can add varieties. You can add chocolate in there if you wanted to add some chocolate syrup before. It would make it more chocolatey. You could add chocolate chips or something at the end. Also need 2 Ziploc bags, 1 smaller one and 1 bigger one. So we're going to take the smaller Ziploc bag, and we're going to pour our milk mixture into the Ziploc bag. I'm just doing it over a bowl just in case I spill. And zip it up. Make sure it's zipped up really tight. Try to get a little air out. And we're going to put that aside for a minute. Okay, now take your bigger Ziploc bag, the gallon size, and you're going to put about 2 to 3 cups of ice into the bag. That's what's going to actually make the ice cream cold and freeze it up, and turn the milk into ice cream. Then you take 1/2 cup of your kosher salt and put it inside the ice bag. Alright, now comes the fun time. You're going to take your cream and your milk, sugar combination, which is the sweet stuff, put your Ziploc bag inside the bigger Ziploc bag. And we're going to zip it up, and we're going to start shaking to make our ice cream. You got to shake this for 5 to 10 minutes. Will get cold. Your hands are going to get cold, so we have some things we can do to prevent that. You can put gloves on, or you can wrap this in a towel. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Keep shaking. Right, my hands are really starting to get cold, so I'm going to wrap this up in a towel. Continue to shake. After you're all done, you'll be able to tell when it's pretty solid, your ice cream. Pull this out. You're just going to throw this away. Pull this out, open it up, and you have your ice cream right there, ready to enjoy. Feel free to double the recipe to make enough for the whole family. sprinkles. And our chocolate syrup. Yummy! Enjoy!